Hey everybody, this is Ed from Hot Rod Upholstery. You hear all these horror stories about razors being undependable. They don't start, they don't do this, they don't do that. You know, a lot of that's the people that are working on them don't really know what they're doing. I hate to say that, but it is true. Now, I run into that issue. This would not start. It's a brand new machine. It's sitting around, I'm moving it in and out. Well, over the weekend I had family come in, so we ride it. It run great until we turned it off, and I guess one of my cousins got in it and hit the gas while he tried to start it, so he flooded it, wouldn't start again. So I'm panicking. I'm thinking, what could it be? Water in the fuel? Could it be this? Could it be that? Well, I've got on the forums like everybody does, searched everything about the fuel pumps. I didn't go that far, but I did test all my components, such as my coil. I tested my fuel pressure, tested everything. I was about to pull my hair out because that plug that was in this looks absolutely brand new. I mean, it just looks brand new. And I was absolutely about to pull my hair out, like I said. So I got online and I researched it, and I got me a new plug. Well, these plugs are copper core. Well, that's the same technology they have in a Model A Ford, okay, built in 1920. Because when this gets hot, that copper burns and there's no very good connection in there. So then you got a problem and it won't start because this fuel injection with 1920 technology plugs, they're going to foul out very quick. And I believe that's a trick the dealer's pulling on you, because I was just about ready to take it in there because I couldn't get it to start. But I said, let me buy a plug and just try it. It was $7. And guess what? It fired before it ever went a full revolution and hadn't quit since. But if I'd have took it into a mechanic, they would have said, hey, your ECU's bad, that's going to be $1,700. Your fuel pump's bad, another $600 for a fuel tank, and then the labor too, because they won't sell you this to pump. Okay? You've been taken to the cleaner at that point. Just do what I'm selling you. Buy a new plug, gap it at 0.27 or 7 millimeter. Stick that puppy in there, don't over tighten it, 7 foot-pounds, and it'll run. So anytime you're out in the field, take your plug with you. You'll be happy. Here, I'm gonna show you how it runs now. See? I'm ready to hit the road now. Alright, y'all have a good one. I hope that helps you out. But main things, keep your battery charged. If you're going to run it down trying to crank it, no crank. But put a plug in it and you'll be happy. You'll be loving me forever. Y'all have a good one. We'll see you later.